Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you the LazyScript. So here's the repository right here. I'll make sure the link's in the description as always when I get something from GitHub, as is my email and as is the Kali Linux download webpage. So we'll just copy this right now, open up a terminal, and I'm going to put this in my desktop. And then we'll go git clone, paste it, and let it do its thing. So, a little bit about LazyScript. It's basically the lazy man's terminal, I guess you could call it. It's just a bunch of shortcuts that you can use, and it makes everything 10 times easier to get to and navigate to. So we'll open up and list that all. So where is it? I can't see it. LScript. So cd LScript, list that, and install.sh. we need to change the permissions. So that's chmod +x, and then install.sh, list it again, and install.sh should be good. So let's clear this, install it, press enter. And you'll use I for install. I don't really know what this terminal was. It was trying to open it through another directory file path. Yes. Oh, all capitals. Sorry. Motherfucker. There we go. Alright, here we go. This is it. So right here we have all these tools we can use, and I don't have a wireless card on my machine right now. I have one for Windows because I dual boot Kali Linux, but the one I'm using is not supported by Linux, so I'm gonna have to get a new one before I show you guys how to crack WPA and WPA2. And while I'm talking about that, they are coming out with a new security feature that's better than WPA2, and they're also coming out with a new protocol. I think it's AX is what it's called, and it supports up to 10 gigabits per second. So that's pretty awesome, and it's still going to run on the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz speeds, and should be coming out here in a couple months in 2019, early 2019. Netgear has already released their router. It kind of looks like something from Star Wars, but I won't complain. So let's just mess around on this. Let's go to, let's just 9 for tools. Let's just do information gathering. Let's use Red Hawk. Oh, I thought I had Red Hawk installed. I guess I don't have any of these installed. That's what that meant when they're red. And it brings you to Red Hawk right here. So let's do www, or let's just do, www.google.com. Scan that for vulnerabilities. That's going to be HTTPS. And let's scan it just for a basic recon. Let's see all that it comes up with. And you press a key, brings you back to the Red Hawk menu. Type 00 to go back to the main menu. A really nice thing about this is you can change your MAC address. I think that is with MAC Changer, and MAC Changer allows you to change it to a random one or a specific one. And in a future video, I'm going to show you guys how to pass a like free Wi-Fi login page, like when you try and access, like in a coffee shop or something like that, you get on their network and you try and access the internet, and it prompts you for, it redirects you to like log in or enter your email or anything like that. And there is a way to bypass that, and I'll be showing you guys that with Mac Changer in the future. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Feel free to subscribe if you like the videos. If you don't, go ahead and dislike them, I guess. I don't really care. I'm making these videos for me and other people who like this stuff. So, have a great day and see you in the next one.